Hey, it's Talking with TOPDON. Today we're going to do a quick video explaining vehicle secure gateways. Let's go ahead and get started. One of the common questions we get is, what is a vehicle secure gateway? To explain this is a little bit complicated and there's a lot to it, but we're going to try to make this simple for you. A vehicle secure gateway is a module that is installed in your vehicle to prevent cybersecurity hacking or access to your vehicle remotely through the telematics module, or otherwise known as the modem on your vehicle. It is also for the purpose of protecting direct access to your vehicle through the data link connector. This helps prevent vehicle theft and other security related concerns like vehicle hacking. Now that we've covered what a secure gateway is, let's talk about why a scan tool needs the ability to unlock a secure gateway. Your scan tool needs the ability to unlock a secure gateway for a number of different reasons. To perform a wide variety of functions, including retrieving or scanning codes, clearing codes, performing maintenance reset functions, relearns, coding, programming, module replacement, and a wide variety of other things, including vehicle security operations such as key work or add a key, deleting keys, things of that nature. The scan tool must have secure gateway access and the ability to unlock the gateway in order to perform most, if not all, of these functions on modern vehicles that have secure gateways. So what happens if we choose to not unlock the secure gateway? If we choose not to unlock the secure gateway, typically this will restrict our ability to perform most functions on the vehicle. In most cases, you will be able to retrieve the fault codes on the vehicle. However, you will not be able to clear the fault codes on most vehicles with secure gateways. You will also not be able to perform the majority of specific diagnostic or maintenance functions on vehicles that are equipped with secure gateway access. The last question we get very frequently is, where do the additional fees come from related to vehicle secure gateway unlocking? This is not a policy or a requirement imposed by the scan tool manufacturer, but rather a requirement imposed by the vehicle manufacturer. So the OEM, or original equipment manufacturer of the vehicle, builds out the infrastructure to allow aftermarket scan tools to unlock their vehicle gateways. This requires a large amount of resources, and so the vehicle manufacturers charge the scan tool manufacturers and the scan tool users for that access infrastructure. Again, this is imposed by the vehicle manufacturer, not the scan tool manufacturer. Let's go through a couple of common questions that we receive on secure gateway access. The first question we receive frequently is, unlocking the gateway, is this a one-time activity, or is this something that is required each time we work with the vehicle? The answer to this is, the vehicle secure gateway is a permanent installation in your vehicle. When you cycle the key off after performing any diagnostic function where you have unlocked the gateway oftentimes will have a timeout function that will relock the vehicle secure access after the key is turned off. This means that unlocking the secure gateway must be carried out each diagnostic session performed on the vehicle. Can older vehicles have secure gateway requirements activated after they've already left the factory without this function enabled? The answer to this is generally no. And this is because the secure gateway is a hardware installation, not just a software installation. So, if the vehicle has a hardware installation of a secure gateway that is not active when it rolls off the assembly line, yes, it is possible that a secure gateway could be activated by the vehicle manufacturer through the telematics module down the road. However, this is currently not common or has been documented in any specific cases, at least that we are aware of. The next common question we receive is, can my diagnostic tool unlock the secure gateway if my scan tool does not have internet access? The answer to this question is no. Scan tools cannot unlock the vehicle secure gateway if they do not have secure, strong internet connection. And the reason for this being is the scan tool must exchange information with the vehicle manufacturer's secure database in order to perform a handshake of sorts to allow the secure gateway to unlock. This requires a valid and active scan tool subscription and a valid and active secure gateway subscription with the vehicle manufacturer that you are working on. Again, the last common question we get, which we've sort of covered already, is when my scan tool subscription expires, can I still unlock the secure gateway functionality on my vehicle? The answer to this question is unfortunately no. The vehicle manufacturer's requirements are you must have a valid and active scan tool subscription, you must have a valid and active secure gateway access pass from the vehicle manufacturer, and you must have strong secure internet on your scan tool, as well as your scan tool must be fully up to date. Again, these are requirements that are imposed by the vehicle manufacturers, not by the scan tool manufacturer. Just wanted to take the time to say thank you for watching this quick video on vehicle secure gateway technologies. I'm Hawken with TOPDON. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.